Okay, hello dear people. Today I wanted to show you how you can export Softimage materials, Blender materials to Softimage. Oh, I like very much background of future release, but never mind, because you can export Cycles materials to Softimage. I have to show you a couple of web pages. Blender GES exporter. You have to download zip file. When you go to code, this utility will allow you to export materials, Cycles materials to Softimage. Softimage guessing or export. You have to install it. I forgotten to open the scene. But I wanted to pay attention. I wanted you to pay attention on one small thing which was causing application to fail when I tried to import materials. I completely forgotten because I didn't know this can cause that issue. I will tell you in a minute. Okay, what we got here. We also have Blender Maga materials. I downloaded Lollipop material. They updated web page. We also have Ocean. We also have Wax material, Diamond. It's not only for Cycles render engine, but also for Blender internal. I like very much abstract glass. You can download. Oh, I will copy that round shape. Control D. Control D. If you want to import material, you can use option append and you hold the shift when you import material to the scene. You double click on Blender file, abstract glass, and you go to material and you select this and you use append. Oh, I would like to check something. This I want to import the Softimage application because you can still use Cycles render engine inside that application. But we will have to turn preview rendering when you go to file preferences shader wall and we switch to Cycles render engine. I have already imported one of the materials, but make sure you don't select any objects when you want to import Cycles materials inside the Softimage. And you make sure you have like export. When you go to file export, you should see GES export. And import, GES import. So you can import geo file, GES file. Gem file is material file. I will make this window a little bit bigger. I have to check how materials are connected together. You can see how they are connected. I just wanted to see because I was quite interested. I think that application made some adjustments. Because when you work in both applications, this looks similar to Blender. Okay, I have to quit. Wait a minute. I can't remember. Oh, I have to press that arrow. When you go here, you have to press that arrow to quit 3. You can see connections. Okay, we got this. Because he grouped already materials. Okay, I have to show you. I will be exporting probably abstracted glass. Or piano material. You can see how this is connected all together. Oh, I forgot to mention, if you want, by default you don't have that utility import text for the GES. If you want to install, you have to import that zip file. Install. So you can import what I have already imported. So after selecting zip file, it will be installed automatically and you should see, but you have to activate it to be visible. Okay, what I wanted to mention. Because Softimage has a newer generation of this render engine and materials, but they didn't really bother to export all of the materials because you can still import more materials than that. Okay, I didn't mention, if you want to install that add-on, you go to add-ons, install. I just wanted to show to you, because I didn't show you. I already installed, but I wanted to show you, because this may be important. This import, you have to install it, because this is very important. I have already installed it. If you have newer version, you can uninstall. So you exactly see what you installed. We have Make Piano, HDR Master, GES Importer, Pass Retopo. This is installed by default. Okay, I just have to think next what I will. Okay, I forgotten. Okay, I have selected this piano paint material. Okay, I have to save export, general export GES. I just have to call it piano paint. No, I should have selected this date modify Softimage cycles material. All materials. Hopefully this will be exported without any problems, I believe. Okay, this is what we need. But make sure you don't select any objects, because for some reasons I had errors when I tried to import material. Where are we now? Cycles library. Okay, I will stay in Cycles library. Wait, maybe I will change. Maybe I will delete unused materials. Hopefully application will not crash I'm hoping so. Okay, import. Press import. We will import material file. Materials in org. Materials in org mode. We have to choose the library. Oh, I can see. Wait a minute. Okay, I have piano bank. Okay, that's fine. Everything has been imported correctly, and I will probably assign that material to that wheel. I'm happy that program works okay, but make sure you don't select any objects in the scene while you are importing, because this gave me strange error message. When I selected objects and I tried to import a gem file. Oh no, I don't like this error. People, I will check something because this error message, I don't like this error message, but hopefully my material has been already assigned. Too many details, hard to focus. Oh no, this is what I don't like. I should have created separate model of the wheel. This is what I don't like. Too much stuff to be selected. Simon, you should have separated object. I can't remember where I assigned the material. Hopefully this whole entire object will have brand new material. Okay, what you can also check, you can also quickly check region tool, all options, and you can select this option so you can see preview of the assigned material. Can you hear me? Because I talk to microphone, but microphone is quite far from my mouth. Oh yes, the piano paint works fine. Okay, this is what we needed. The piano paint material. Also, I was thinking to resize window so you can exactly see where we are. Oh, wonderful, amazing. Everything has been imported from early. I will see if I can adjust. I'm happy because everything has been imported correctly. Roughness. Oh, wonderful. I'm happy to see that everything seems to be working fine. I will check. Some of the materials I have in the scene and they look amazing. I would like to show you one of my favorite materials which I have imported to that application. It's called Lollipop. I have got in the scene the lollipop material. It looks quite interesting when I import it inside the Softimage. Make sure you save the scene quite often in this program, because sometimes it can fail, especially when you don't use correctly application. Okay, that's it. Everything. I hope you like my video tutorial, and have a nice day. This took me, I think, after 1 or 2 weeks to model. I still have to finish model of the roller coaster wheel.